Hey there, this is Owen with Overtake, and today I'm showing you off the newest piece of bling, our top mount intercooler isolator bushings. Now, if you're not familiar with what these are, every turbo Subaru with a top mount intercooler has these little rubber grommets and a steel sleeve that kind of mounts them in place. Now, over time, these tend to rot out, the rubber gets soft, the steel sleeve gets a little crusty looking. So these are a nice replacement that are made out of billet 6061 aluminum with the new 65A EPDM rubber bushing. It's a little bit stiffer, holds your intercooler in place better, and as well as just a nice looking upgrade. So installation is about as simple as it gets. You just need a 12mm socket to remove the bolt and then a screwdriver to pry out the sleeve, and you're about there. Now, we are offering these in both black and Overtake blue. I think on this car, I'm gonna install the blue ones. So cracking the bag open here, you can see inside, we have 2 bushings and 2 washers, as well as a nice sticker, and then 2 brand new JIS 12mm bolts to replace the factory ones. Like I said, installation is as easy as can be. You just undo the 1 bolt securing the top mount. It's that 12mm there. And you take your little screwdriver and you kind of get it in between the bushing and the sleeve, pry that out. You can see kind of our crusty factory sleeve there. And then to get the factory bushing out, you may need to loosen up the mounting bracket just a little so it has some wiggle to it, just to allow the space for that bushing to come out. Then you can set that aside, grab your new Overtake one, and you do need to separate the sleeve from the bushing here. And then just like the factory one, that bushing is just gonna slot right into place. And then you can stick your sleeve right down through there and grab one of your new bolts, get that started, and then just go through your 12mm and just get everything all tightened up. Now you just go ahead and repeat those same steps on the other side of the intercooler and you'll be all done. So as you can see, that was about the easiest install you can possibly do. It's a big upgrade to get rid of these crusty factory bushings and washers. So if you're interested in picking up a set for your Subaru, head on over to overtakeusa.com with the link in the description and grab a set for yourself. If you're not already, make sure you follow us on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook at OvertakeUSA, and I will see you in the next product introduction video.